At a time when the Dark Ages were coming to an end in Europe, Bukhari was busy writing his Sahih and Ibn Hanbal was writing his Musnad. Was born in 232 AH in Medina, Imam Hasan bin Ali to Imam Hadi, peace be upon him, and Sayyida Salih. The Banu Abbas were fearful of the advent of Al-Mehdi and were aware of the hadith of Rasulullah, peace be upon him, of him being the 12th in succession. They exiled Imam Hadi and his family to Samarra when Imam Hasan Al-Askari was an infant. Imam Hasan Al-Askari strengthened the network his father had built of representatives in Egypt, Iraq, Persia, Yemen, and Syria, which allowed the collection and distribution of zakat and khums. His 20s was a time when the shrines in Karbala and Najaf were destroyed and then rebuilt when the Khalifa Muntasir took over from his father Mutawakkil. He was detained and placed under house arrest several times. When the circumstances were less harsh, he received delegations from all over the world. Imam was the first to systemize the writing of tafsir. His system has been emulated by all scholars up to the present time. He commented on the surah, then commented on the ayah, then each word giving it several possible meanings. Even those who held enmity against him said, "I do not know of anyone who is more distinguished than Al-Hasan Al-Askari. None can surpass him in dignity, knowledge, piety, and forbearance, nor can anyone match him in points of nobility, majesty, grandeur, humility, or honesty." Imam married Sayyida Nerjis, a Roman Christian princess who embraced Islam, and Imam Al-Mehdi, born in 255 AH. His funeral prayers were led by Imam Mehdi, who moved aside his uncle Jaffer. Imam was buried in the house in which his father was buried in Samarra.